Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In this video, I will show you how to download Monsta wallet extension. Now follow all the steps and watch this video till the end to learn how to do it. Now before we start the video, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up Chrome browser on a PC and there search for Monsta wallet extension. Now tap on the very first link, Monsta wallet, and once you tap on it, you will directly taken to Chrome Web Store. Now in order to add extension, you need to tap on this add to Chrome button. Now tap on it and there a pop-up menu will be appear on your screen. Now tap on add extension button and it will start to install on your Chrome browser. Now your extension has been added. Now you can just tap on this icon and there tap on Monsta wallet and there you go. You can see your Monsta wallet extension on your screen. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to download Monsta wallet extension on your PC. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will be back with more videos like this.